that such an act would create Karnataka besides being highly objectionable. In a letter, Shillong requested the Honourable Prime Minister to kindly take cognizance of the issue raised by the Archbishop and also by other Christian communities. The exit of the MLAs has put the party in a better place with vis-a-vis its relationship with the MDA government, Congress legislature party leader Ampreen Lingdor said. We will try to utilize the start of a relationship so that important issues do not stagnate and remain on the back burner, she said, adding that her party is preparing a presentation on such issues. We need to ensure all these issues are addressed through amicable discussion, leaving hostility behind, she added.
We will be meeting with the government and the Honourable Chief Minister at the earliest. We're just preparing our documents, preparing a proper case, so that when we do meet with the Honourable Chief Minister in the new CLP phase, we will be able to have better working relationship. We will have a better opportunity to give and take information, because all this while there was hostility between the opposition to such a large extent and the government. So things may be a little better. This is just very recent that these developments have happened, but there seems to be positivity, and I hope that this positivity will enable us to present our case more productively to the government of the day.
Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had picked up on several places in the country, including Umngot River in Meghalaya located at Shillong, to praise citizens for taking steps towards preserving and conserving nature. Because it looks unimaginably beautiful, crystal clear as if boats are gliding in the air, the river seems like a mirror reflecting a riverbed that is hanging in the sky.
The Ministry of Jal Shakti posted a picture of boat floating on the river Umngot on Twitter. Boating is the major attraction for tourists in Umngot River. Tourists enjoyed camping on the riverside or even homestays provided by the locals. Camping here refreshes and rejuvenates tourists from daily busy lives.
We are very happy to be here at Shillong, which is known the world over as the cleanest river and the clearest river in India. In fact, our Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had also tweeted that this is one of the cleanest rivers in the country, and that it's such a marvel of nature that even the boat looks as if it's floating on a sheet of water. And also the Ministry of Jal Shakti has also given in its tweet that this is the cleanest and the clearest water in India.
When asked about the recent statement made by the Prime Minister during the 83rd episode of the Mann Ki Baat, Joint Secretary Dorbar Shillong Dabbar Singkrem said that indeed it's a privilege for us and the people of the state.
Social media molang ba ketuk program jong Prime Minister go Ukraine Sepangka wa ngon te kalang ka ai ba ngis nga sorong mo namaram dei tang mangi rei silenter ka ne ka wa pinang song Shillong kis nga sorong bat kham tam mangi Shillong pedeng ki ba harut jong ka ne ka wa bat ki ba pej ba khmi ya ka te ila benong ba ka jing sedang hi jong ka ne ka tourism ne ka dei na ka Shillong pedeng hadin ke jingpau jong Shillong peng ki layak jumutai ju Shillong te ke jing kwa jong ni haba Prime Minister ulatif ya kata long ba kadai bendan baik kata ke jing itu te ya kene kawa haki ka bor sarkar na hakino kino kitran reikam kumbalang kum kong thong te kalayo ya kata kanam kilayo ya kata certificate te mangiru ni kwa kum kata ke mo te sakawai kalang ba haki por ki bala dep gili ba ka sarkar ka don dithu ban dam ya kene kawa te kata kadai ba nelu menswai ni kinong Shillong ne 100% nilai elek persya sarkar ba kam dai bandam bat hangte ha public hearing ba nilai baik daw Shillong antawan persya te Kata kejing persak jangi ya ni menta bakalong kejing mentai. Tang ya ke surkar. Andrei ya ke rihi berbuai.
The Umngot River looks like a mirror reflecting a riverbed that is hanging in the sky. Ministry of Jal Shakti tweeted, wishing all our rivers were as clean. Hats off to the people of Meghalaya. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Youth Congress leader Banphira Basayomoit on Saturday referred to the mass resignation led by former leaders of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress as drama. The main reason why the former leaders, are leaving the party is because they know there is a threat to their position in the party, and that is why they are creating this drama, Basayomoit informed. He also said that the Youth Congress will continue to work on the many pressing issues instead of diverting its attention to such drama.
The Congress continues to be a pluralistic party. It is a secular party. It has never changed its ideology. The main reason that they are leaving the party because they know there is a threat to their position in the party. That is why they are creating this drama. They are creating the circus every day, and I'm sure in these coming days they'll come up with more activities that will take up our time. We have more pressing issues, I feel. The press is the fourth pillar of the democracy, of our society, of nation building, and I know the press will decide what is best to cover.
The first Omicron COVID case has been detected in Delhi. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain told media that the patient who had returned from Tanzania has been admitted to LNJP hospital. Until now, 17 people who tested positive for COVID have been admitted to the hospital. So far in Meghalaya, there are 244 active cases and none have been found with the new COVID variant Omicron. Here's the weather report. The maximum temperature was 21.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature dropping to 11.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 70%, dropping marginally in the evening to 62% with no rainfall. The forecast shows light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And for our viewers, here's a recap of today's headlines. Labour Minister Sanbor Shulai urges the Prime Minister to look into the safety of Christians living in Karnataka. State Congress is looking at redefining its relationship with the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. The Prime Minister urges denizens of Meghalaya to conserve nature. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.